Hi, I'm Anchal and I work in Dowty Propellers. So I work as a manufacturing engineer in Dowty Propellers, and my role is to create and improve our current processes for composite propeller blades for civil and military aircraft. I'm currently working with 6 other engineers in my team to develop new processes, to make them more robust, to enhance the efficiency and to diagnose faults, and also we get involved in designing new equipments, procedures and systems. Wow, my favorite part. Actually I have 3 favorite parts. One is definitely I like taking complex problems and then simplifying them and putting them down into manageable chunks and solving them. The second part, which I really enjoy, is working in an inclusive and a collaborative environment, and just helps me working in a diverse team and solving problems. And the third favorite part is actually I love learning, so I love asking too many questions. Not a single day goes by where I haven't learned something new. Getting into engineering. So from a very young age, my heart and brain has always been in a constant battle when it came to engineering. My heart has always wanted to become an engineer and solve problems and be passionate about it, but my brain was not at the right place. It took me a little bit longer to understand some concepts of physics and mathematics. I wasn't very good at it initially. Turns out I just learned a different way. And I went through a self-paced approach. When I was 19, I picked up a book called Thermodynamics, and I decided to read the first page. And that day I decided I will not turn that page over without understanding every single thing on that page. I used the help of my friends, family, some of my mentors and teachers to get me to help me understand some concepts. One thing led to another. Once I finished the whole book, it was a spark, basically. From that day onwards, I decided to enroll myself, come to UK and get a degree in engineering. And 10 years from that spark, now I can call myself an engineer. So I went to university. I did my degree in aerospace engineering, and that led me into doing my internship and get into early career programs like graduate program within GE. And university actually was a great place for me to learn the language of engineering and open few different possibilities that exist in engineering. And the early career opportunities provided me with so many options to find out what works best for me. Inspiration. It's a great question. And I think of inspiration as something that is a start to an engine. I have been very, very fortunate that I have come across so many people in life with different backgrounds and having who face different and unique challenges as well. And I believe anyone who propels themselves through those challenges and pushes themselves to actually get the best for them instead of settling for what is given to them is an inspiration to me.